Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video. So Google just announced a new app called Google Reply. What it does is it uses AI to give you quick responses to messages. It works with Android messages, Hangouts, Gmail, WhatsApp, and more. As well as suggesting simple phrases like yes and no, it uses artificial intelligence to determine what the message is about and what you may want to say. One of the really amazing features is that it uses your location to determine how long it will take you to get somewhere. For example, if someone asks you how long until you get home, Google will track your location and see how long it will take using Google Maps. It also detects when you are driving, and if someone texts you during that time, it will send them a text back saying that you are in a car. You can sign up for the beta version using the link in the description, or you may download an APK version. This is a wonderful use of AI for efficiency, and I think it's a great concept. I hope to update you when the full app is released, but for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.